Welcome to day 2.
From medical devices to moon landers, this community continues to amaze me.
You're going to build a supersonic jet.
We're using SOLIDWORKS to design the entire aircraft.
I make robots once they make people with a disability walk again.
We hope you all had a great time last night and that you had a chance to see some of the cool things at the Partner Pavilion.
SOLIDWORKS, along with our partners, continues to push the boundaries on design and innovation.
This is how, for example, I might see a complex assembly come to life.
Inside the classroom, SOLIDWORKS educators inspire their students.
You will learn more in 3 or 4 days than you will the rest of the year.
I'm really excited about some of the things that they're offering, and I didn't even know that the software was capable of.
I'm so excited to be here. You know, I'm a big nerd, and so this is basically like Mecca.
There's so much knowledge over here, so much enthusiasm over here. It's always fun.
What I love about SOLIDWORKS is very simple, the massive and growing impact of our user community.
There's nothing like coming to SOLIDWORKS World and meeting the people and the openness that they have and willingness to help people.